So now we are going to place the ribbon and the label roll in this printer. We are opening this printer here, and you can see this place is for the label roll and this is for the ribbon roll. So first we are going to place the label roll. We have this cylinder type of device on which we will place this label roll, and very easily we can put this cylinder in the machine. Just need to move it through the pins, as you can see. Now we have placed this label roll, and now we are going to place the ribbon. So ribbon comes with two cylinders, one which we will place in the bottom, another one will be placed on the top of the machine or the head. So now this is placed. So this is how we can very easily place both the things in Chainway CP20 printer.